It is just 2 days to Vlogmas 2020. Now the question is, how prepared are you? Are you ready to crush Vlogmas 2020? But in case if you're not, say no more, as this video is gonna share with you 8 tips that will help you have a successful Vlogmas 2020. And if you want to know, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun, back again with another exciting video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. If you like to get shout out these people, all you need to do is to be active on my YouTube channel, be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video, and then you get a shout from me on my next video. Are you aware that it is just 2 days to Vlogmas 2020? How prepared are you? Do you have all it takes to have a successful Vlogmas? Well, in case you're not prepared, say no more, because I have bring this video to you to show you 8 good tips that will help you have a successful Vlogmas 2020. Now, if you want to know, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Now, my first tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is, what is your goals for doing Vlogmas 2020? Now, ask yourself, what are you hoping to achieve or gain at the end of Vlogmas 2020? Is it subscribers? Is it more money? Or is it more watch time? Ask yourself this. Or is it to just grow your channel in general? You need to write down your goals for doing Vlogmas, because in case if you don't already know, goals will push you to do more. Goals will motivate you to work harder for the Vlogmas. So in case you still haven't written down your goals yet, you need to do that now, like right now. Get your pen, have a thought. Why am I doing Vlogmas? What do I want to achieve? What do I want to gain at the end of Vlogmas 2020? Because once you've decided on what you want to gain, on what your goals are for doing Vlogmas 2020, this will push you to do more. This will push you to want to achieve better things at the end of this Vlogmas. So in case if you haven't written it down yet, do that right now, because you need to have a goal for doing Vlogmas 2020. Now, my second tip that will help you have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is to have good eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Now, in case if you don't already know, the whole YouTube is going to be on fire for Vlogmas videos from on the 1st of December. And what will make yours different is your thumbnails and titles, because you never can tell. YouTube can just pick your video and then start recommending to people. They can put on the YouTube search tab. What will make people to click on yours rather than the other YouTuber close to you or their popular YouTubers will be your thumbnails and title. In case if you don't know how to make good thumbnails here, you need to learn it. You need to do that right now, because if your thumbnails are blurry, it is not eye-catching, or your title doesn't pass out a message, it is not telling people to click on it, I am sorry, darling, your video can be recommended to people, but your thumbnails will be an issue why people won't click. So in case if you want to learn how to do constant thumbnails, I have a video on that. I would just leave it on the iCards. This will help you have good eye-catching thumbnails. Again, you want to make sure that you have good eye-catching thumbnails and good titles that will motivate people to click on your video rather than the person next to yours. My third tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is to have copyright-free Xmas music pack ready. Now, the reason why you need to have all of your Xmas song or whatever song you're planning to use ready right now is because this will help you with faster editing. So if you're planning to be posting every single day or every other day, you want to make sure that all of the music that you're planning to use are already ready. And you want to make sure that you are not posting videos without music, because the music part really makes your vlog interesting. Because it is Vlogmas, even if you're having sitting down videos, just make sure you're having interesting music in the background or as your intro, because this is really important. The music will motivate people to want to watch more. The music will motivate people to feel that Christmas spirit. Make sure you're having Xmas music copyright free. Don't go out there and be picking Xmas songs that are not copyright free. Go on YouTube, type copyright free Xmas songs, and you got a whole lot of them. Or if you don't know how to know if a song is copyrighted on YouTube, I have a video on that which I will leave on the iCards. This video will help you know if your song is copyrighted before before you can use the song. With that being said, make sure your musics are all ready to help you with faster editing. Now, my fourth tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020. Now, this particular tip is really important because I've seen a lot of smaller YouTubers really guilty of this, and that is make sure your music is not louder than your voice once you are talking. Now, most of you, once you are vlogging and you're talking, your background music are always loud that nobody will be hearing what you're saying. So once you are talking, make sure, I repeat, make sure your background music is as low as possible once you are talking. If you're not talking, no problem, but once you're vlogging and you're talking, your background music shouldn't be louder than your own voice. This is the reason I have clicked off a lot of Vlogmas videos or a lot of vlogging videos. Whenever I'm there watching the video and then the music is just loud, I'm not hearing the person talking, I'll be like, oh my god, I am not here to listen to music, but you that is talking. So that is really important. Make sure your music is just at the lowest once you're talking. If you're not talking, no problem. Even if that's your favorite music, we are not here for the music. We are here for what you want to give to us, what you want to say. So make sure your background music is as low as possible. Just moderate once you are talking. Very important for your Vlogmas videos. Now, my fifth tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is to have good lighting. In case if you don't already know, Vlogmas is popular and your favorite YouTubers are going to be doing it too. So what will make yours different will be your lighting. What will make your subscribers watch yours rather than watching the other person is your lighting. How good is your video quality? So make sure you have the best lighting. If you don't have good lighting, good selfie ring light, I have recommended a selfie ring light for you guys before, which I will leave the link below again in case if you're interested for it. But that being said, you want to make sure you have good lighting. You don't want people to click on your video and then click off. You will lose that views once they click off. So make sure you have good lighting. Now, my sixth tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is to feel free to have sit down videos. Now, because it says Vlogmas doesn't mean you can't have sit down videos. If you feel there is a video you want to give to us, there is a helpful video that you want us to see, and yet this video is a sit down video, go ahead and make it. Nobody says your Vlogmas video must be you standing and vlogging. We know it is Vlogmas, but feel free to explore with your sitting down videos. Now, my seventh tip, which is a very important tip, is if you feel you need to stop, then stop. What do I actually mean? If you get overwhelmed and then you're getting tired, or you feel there is a day you are not able to post and yet you want to overwork yourself, you want to enjoy your health just because you want to make sure you post a video there, don't do that. If you need to take a break, go ahead and take a break. Your subscribers will definitely understand. If you have to take a break, go ahead and take a break. Remember, head before wet. Now, my eighth tip and the last tip to have a successful Vlogmas 2020, and this tip is very vital and important, is what are you giving to your viewers? What will they gain in return? Will they say, it was Tovia's Vlogmas that helped me achieve this, that helped me know about the stuff, that motivated me to start my own business, that motivated me to know more about myself, that made me love myself more, or that helped me learn about new skills? What are your viewers going to receive in return? Now, remember, Vlogmas is the last month of the year 2020. It is December, and what that means is people are looking for motivational videos for the new year at the end of December 2020. People are looking forward to something new that will motivate them for a new year, that will advise them, that will give them counseling for the new year, that will give them inspiration for something new for the new year. So if you have this type of videos, if you have this types of counseling or motivational quotes or motivational videos, make sure you're bringing them out on your Vlogmas. Do not reserve them for 2021 before you're gonna bring them. No, people are already searching for their stuff. People are already out there looking for something that will help them for the new year. So make sure you're bringing it out. Don't just vlog all throughout the month and at the end of the day your viewers didn't gain anything. Even you yourself, you couldn't come out there to say, oh, this was something I really did this Vlogmas. Oh my god, I'm so happy somebody else will be blessed by it. If you're not able to say that at the end of your Vlogmas, You didn't do nothing. And if your viewers are not able to say that at the end of your Vlogmas, then that wasn't a good one. You want to make sure that you ask yourself the question, what are my viewers going to gain? Remember, you don't want to just vlog all through without anyone getting motivated. Now, the last thing I want to say is, if you still haven't made a video to tell your subscribers, or you'll be doing Vlogmas, make sure you do that, because there are some viewers that might get tired of you posting every day. They'll be like, what's this one doing? They might even unsubscribe. So make sure you make a short video right now today to tell your viewers, I am going to be doing Vlogmas, and make sure you explain what Vlogmas is. Make sure you say that you'll be posting every day in the month of December, or twice a week, or any day you plan. Just make sure you do a video telling them. So guys, that is it for the 8 tips that will help you have a successful Vlogmas 2020. In case you still haven't seen my video on how to do Vlogmas 2020, I will leave that video on the iCards. And if you still haven't seen the video on my Vlogmas intro template or Christmas intro template, I will leave that again on the iCards so you guys can go see them. And again, I wish you a marvelous and a pleasant Vlogmas 2020. Make sure you put all of these things to work and have a good Vlogmas. All the best to you all. I love you all, and make sure you are here watching my videos. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, and take good care of yourself, and bye.